are pleased to show you the 2016 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, heated front seats, compass, trip computer, security system, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.